Did you know there are waterfalls so tall that the water turns to mist before it even hits the ground? Waterfalls aren't just beautiful. They're witnesses to Earth's geological history, and each one has its own story to tell. A waterfall happens when a river hits a sudden drop in the land. The water, always obeying gravity, plunges with power, creating one of nature's most spectacular shows. But how does a waterfall actually form? Most often, it's erosion. Water wears away the softer rock faster than the harder layers beneath. Over time, that process creates a ledge. They can also form from tectonic shifts, ancient glaciers carving the landscape, or even volcanic activity reshaping the terrain. There are many types of waterfalls. Plunge waterfalls are massive and thunderous, like a roaring wall of water. Fan waterfalls spread out in a graceful curtain against the rock. Tiered waterfalls descend in multiple steps, as if water is walking down a staircase. And some flow inside caves, hidden in the darkness. Let's look at a few of the world's most impressive falls. Angel Falls in Venezuela is the tallest waterfall on Earth, nearly 1 kilometer of free fall. Niagara Falls, straddling the US and Canada, is famous for its sheer power and hydroelectric potential. And Iguazu Falls, on the border of Argentina and Brazil, spans over 270 separate drops roaring through the jungle. Each one is unique, but they all have this in common: they leave us speechless. And here's a fun fact. When strong enough wind blows upward from below, it can actually push the water back up. Yes, some waterfalls, instead of falling, rise again. As if nature itself is playing by its own rules. Waterfalls inspire us. They remind us of the planet's strength and beauty. And every time water plunges, it carves the rock and leaves its mark on our hearts. Have you ever visited an amazing waterfall? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural wonders. There are underwater waterfalls made of denser salty water flowing beneath the ocean.